Hello, my name is Pierre Gouet. I'll be your instructor for this term. This is Chem 202, it's Organic Chemistry Lab. We will have 5 weeks together. And this year, before I start anything, be sure that you have ordered your lab kit. You're going to need it very soon. So please, if you haven't do that as you read it, stop this and order it right away, please. Okay. So I was saying that I'm Pierre Gouet. I'll be your instructor for this term. Um, this course is complementary course for the lecture course in Introductory Organic Chemistry. You're going to need Carolina wet lab. You're going to have to order that. We're going to have some dry labs as well, and we're going to have a virtual lab in this section. So, as I said, I have been teaching for 30 years. I teach organic, general, and uh, chemistry for nursing. My short biography is here. So, this course here, again, as we said, is 5 week. I'm going to go through the course overview here with you. So, call overview. Again, be sure that you sign this here on our conduct and text success. Confirm your agreement here before you move forward. Course outcome is here. You should be able to calculate the meeting reactant yield and percent yield for organic chemistry reaction. Practice and perform basic organic chemistry lab techniques. Apply the scientific method and evaluate chemical data to determine the identity, purity, and yields of chemical reactions. The syllabus is here. I'll come back to it in a minute. Textbook and required material. McMurray is the organic chemistry book we're using, but we're going to use the OpenStax of that here. Organic chemistry lab techniques that will show you how to perform some of the organic chemistry techniques. Learning material. You can go here to find all the material you need for the course. So let me go to the syllabus then. So we're saying here, so course include lab experience focus on basic organic chemistry to accompany this. So we talked about these outcomes for the lab. Grading policies are here. You have to submit your work on time. A day after it's due, you're going to be penalized 10%. Between 2 and 6 days or so, you're gonna in 5 days you're gonna lose 30%. After that, then you can lose 50%. I have that in the announcement. You check that with me. So we have that here between the first minute and 1 day 10%, between 1 and 2 days 30%, 2 and 6, then 2.01 to 6 50%. You will not be able to submit any work after 6 days. So we have later grades here and the percentage corresponding to them. The textbook we talked about. We have McMurray here for lecture, Unity Lab kit for the lab that you're going to need from Carolina. Please, again, order that because if you don't have it, you will not be able to do your work on time. Communication. The instructor will conduct our correspondence with students related to the class in Canvas. Do not send me a personal email, please, and you should expect to receive a response to email within 24 hours. So if you don't, please send me another email just to remind me. It might be that I'm checking with the administration what to tell you, but please let me know if you feel like I haven't responded in time. So discussion expectation, the first part of the discussion has to be submitted midweek and then the final at the end of the week. All this will be shown on our announcements. Okay. Turn it in will always be used for anything that you turn in. Plagiarism, we have that here. Cheating, what is considered cheating, we have that here. Guidance for using AI in this course, we're not saying you cannot use it, but we're telling you how you should handle it. Copyright information, technical support, be sure to contact the school IT if you have any problem with technical support, and so on. So what I'm going to do then is go here week one. These are the chapters we're going to cover in the textbook. We have videos here that match this here. So when we week 1, you know which video you may watch. And then here we have our assignments. For example, Thursday, November 20th, you have to have submitted your introduction. Week 1, you have this assignment that is due. This one, this is a lab safety. All of this have to be done, have to be submitted in time. Okay, and then week 2, and then week 3, and so on. Okay, so that's what we have there. Let me go back up here. So I'm going to go back here and show you what we have in every week. So week 1, we're calling that the language of molecules. In week 1, you're going to have a few assignments. Again, you're going to have to introduce yourself first. Introductions here. Learning materials are here. Organic chemistry is all around us. You're going to look at things around you for this and assign them to organic chemistry. You're going to have a lab here, a virtual lab from Carolina, where you're going to name organic compounds, and then functional group assignments here in organic chemistry. That's week 1. So we're showing each one of the things that are within week 1 here, the learning material. Okay, so then we're going to go to week 2. Week 2, crystals, mixture and melting points, exploring solid in organic chemistry lab. So we're going to take things like melting point and things like that to check on the purity of a substance. That's what we're going to do in week 2. Week 3, vapors to visuals, understanding distillation, stereochemistry. Stereochemistry is the structure in space of a molecule. And then thin layer chromatography is a way of separating substances using the attraction to the paper or to another substance where you have silicon on either aluminum foil or on plastic material. That's week 3. Week 4, constructing molecular framework, the Grignard reaction, a rat to alcohol and esters. We're going to have chemical reactions here. And then the last week, we're going to make some cheese. You're going to compare 2 different ways of making cheese and decide which one is the best way, essentially. Okay. So that's what I have for this introduction. Please send your question my way. I hope we have a great week, great term. And if I do not answer your question within 24 hours, send me a reminder and I will be sure to let you know what's going on. Let's have a great term, and I see you around. Thank you.